Welcome to our video. Today we have a nice equation here whereby we are given 3 to the power of t minus 2 to the power of t is equal to 65. We are needed to obtain the value of t. So how do you obtain the value of t from this equation? So we begin by noting that 3 to the power of t, everything power 1, minus bracket 2 to the power of t, everything power 1 is equal to 65. Any number to the power of 1 is equal to that very number. We also note that 1 is the same as 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So we shall have 3 to the power of t, everything power 2 over 2, minus bracket 2 to the power of t, everything power 2 over 2. This is equal to 65. Then we note this, the law of indices. If you have a power n, power m, this can be written as a to the power of n multiplied by m. So a power n m is the same as bracket a power n power m. So we shall take the denominator inside so that you have 3 to the power of t over 2, everything squared, minus in bracket 2 to the power of t over 2 squared. This is equal to 65. That is equal to 65. Then from there we let our 3 to the power of t over 2 be equal to a number of our choice. I can let it to be a, and also we let 2 to the power of t over 2 to be equal to b. Then we substitute here. So 3 to the power of t over 2, it is a, and we square it, minus 2 to the power of t over 2 is b, and we square. This is equal to 65. Then this is a difference of two squares, which can be written as a minus b multiplied by a plus b. This is equal to 65. Then 65 has the following factors: 1 multiplied by 65. Also we have 5 times 13 will give you 65. Similarly, you can have 65 times 1, and you can have 13 multiplied by 5. So this means that you have two numbers. The difference of two numbers multiplied by the sum of the two numbers gives you 65. And those numbers here are 1 times 65, 5 times 13, 65 times 1, and 13 times 65. Now, this condition here must be met. The condition is that a minus b should always be equal to less than a plus b. So out of these 4 possibilities, we want to find out a scenario whereby a is less than b. So in the first instance here, 1 is less than 65, so we shall pick that. 5 is less than 13, so you also pick that. 65 is greater than 1, reject that, this possibility. 13 is greater than 5. So we shall have those two possibilities, a minus b, a plus b is equal to 1 multiplied by 65. Possibility number 2 is a minus b multiplied by a plus b is equal to 5 multiplied by 13. So these are two equations. I can call this equation 1 and this the other one equation 2. So we start with the case 1, whereby you have a minus b. This is equal to 1. And then we have a plus b is equal to 65. So this is a simultaneous equation with the two unknown. We can solve this by simply adding a plus a is 2a, b minus b plus b is 0, and then you have 65 plus 1 is 66. You divide by 2 both sides, you divide by 2, and a is, so you have a minus b being equal to 1. We want b is equal to a minus 1, which is equal to 33 minus 1. So b is equal to 32. Then we come here where we are delete 3 power t over 2, and our b was 2 to the power of t over 2, so that we obtain the value of t. So we shall substitute the value of a, which is 3, which is equal to 3 t to the power of 2, and then we take log in both sides. Log of 33 is equal to natural logarithm of 3 to the power of t over 2. T over 2 ln of 3 is equal to ln of 33. We multiply by 2 so that we have t. Ln of 3 is equal to 2 ln of 33. So you want t. So we divide by ln of 3 both sides. Ln of 3. So t is equal to 2 ln of 33 divided by ln of 3. So that is one of the values of t. Then we also end. We have b is equal to 2 to the power of t over 2, and we obtain our value of b as 32. So 32 is equivalent to 2 to the power of t over 2. We take natural logarithm both sides so that you have ln of 32 is equal to ln of 2 to the power of t over 2. And we note that on the right hand side, the index can be brought in back so that we have t over 2 ln over 2. This is equal to ln over of 32. We multiply by 2 both sides so that we have t multiplied by ln of 2 is the same as 2 ln of 32. We divide by ln of 2 both sides, so that now our t will be equal to 2 ln of 32 divided by ln of 2. So those are the two possible values of t. We go to case 2. We also had this scenario. This means that the first case is a minus b is equal to 5, and also a plus b is equal to 13. So this is a simultaneous equation which can be solved by elimination. We eliminate b by adding equation 1 to equation 2. So a plus a. So this is a. So our a is equal to 9. Then we substitute the value of a, which is 9. A minus b is equal to 5. So 9 minus b is equal to 5. We take b to the right and 5 to the left. So 9 minus 5 is equal to b. So B is equal to 4. A here is A is equal to 9 and B is equal to 4. Then we go to where we began, and this is what we end. We end A being equal to 3 to the power of t over 2. So from here, we substitute the value of A, which is 9. 9 is equal to 3 to the power of t over 2. 9 can be written as 3 squared, which is equal to 3 to the power of t over 2. So bases here are equal, we equate the index. So t over 2 is equal to 2, meaning that t is equal to 2 times 2. T is equal to 4. Similarly, we end b being equal to 2 to the power of t over 2. Our b is 4. So 4 is equal to 2 to the power of t over 2. 4 can be written as 2 squared, which is equal to 2 to the power of t over 2. When bases are equal, we normally equate the index. So you have 2 to the power of t over 2. So t is equal to 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. Then we go back to our equation and check whether our working is correct. Remember, our equation was 3 to the power of t minus 2 to the power of t, which is equal to 5. So we substitute, we have obtained the value of t being equal to 4. So you have 3 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 4 will give us 5. Let's find out. 3 to the power of 4 means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 4 times, which is 81, minus 2 to the power of 4, it is 16. Is it equal to 65? Clearly, you can see 81 minus 16 is 65, which is equal to 65. So since the left hand side is equal to right hand side, it follows that when you have this equation, 3 to the power of t minus 3 minus 2 to the power of t, which is equal to 65, the possible values of t is equal to 4. Or also you obtain t being equal to 2 ln of that 2 divided by ln of 2, or t being equal to 2 ln of that 3 divided by 3. So thanks so much for taking your time to study with me on how to solve this nice exponent, which is 3 to the power of t minus 2 to the power of t, which is equal to 65. Kindly subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss a video which I upload now and then. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.